Hi everybody, it's Chef Martin from ThermoWorks, and today we'll be making some smoked turkey breast. We're going to brine these boneless, skinless breasts for about 3 hours. Once the breasts have brined, we'll take them out, pat them dry, and season them. Before we apply our barbecue rub, we're going to give the turkey a coating of mayo first. This will help the seasoning stick and will help the bark form up. I put a good deal of mayo on there, but then kind of try to wipe it. You just want a thin film of mayo for the seasoning to adhere to. We have our smoker set at 275 degrees, and we'll be pulling these from heat at 157 degrees Fahrenheit. Of course, how good a turkey looks doesn't really matter so much as how it tastes, so let's give it a go. You know when something's too smoked, it's not any good? This is perfectly smoked. The bark is really nice. The seasoning really goes through the turkey. It's tender, it's lovely. This is a great way to go. If you want to make Thanksgiving a little bit different, smoke some turkey breasts. If you just want a really lovely meal anytime, go for this. It's a great way to go. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've learned something. If you have, then please consider subscribing. Until next time, from ThermoWorks and from me, Chef Martin, happy cooking.